It's Kimmy, the Gadget Goddess. And today I am revisiting a case that I love on my Huawei Mate X2. I called it Carbon Fire because it's just a beautiful case. I wanted to pick this case up for the Z Flip 3 and the Z Fold 3, but I mean, I didn't really see a huge purpose in making two separate videos because case videos are typically very short videos for this channel. I don't see a reason to hold you long for that. With that being said, we're going to jump right into this video. I'm going to do the Flip first, and then I'm going to do the Fold, and you're going to see how wonderful these phones look in their new gear. I will leave a link in the description for this seller. I get these cases off eBay, and a lot of people say, hey, they like the Samsung carbon fiber case. This is about half the price of the Samsung carbon fiber case, and it does have adhesive strips. When I go full committal, I'll do the adhesive strips. Right now, I'm still enjoying my panda look. This is the blue. I will put up pictures of the different colors they have for this phone. I know they have a light green, a orange and red, regular black if that's your, go-to. But I mean, these are very attractive cases. And if you don't want anything super thick, it's just an easy go-to case, right? Fingerprint scanner, power button is exposed, volume up and down, full exposure to your camera and your flash. And then there's nothing on this side here. All of your mics have cutouts. Charging port has a cutout and your speaker box has a cutout.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention?
Speakers work just fine. So I'm gonna box this back up and sit this phone off to the side, and we'll get into the Z Fold 3's carbon fiber blue and black case. And this was available in all the colors for both phones. I'm just a huge fan of the black and blue. I am not even a big blue person, but it's different shades of blue that I'm crazy about, and you'll see a lot of my channel stuff is in blue. Again, these will have adhesive strips, and I think it's needed more so for the front than the back for this phone. I know it was for the Mate X2. The power fingerprint scanner is wide open, as well as the volume up and down key is available to us. Everything works fine because it's wide open. Speaker box is fully exposed. Mic is exposed here. Charging port is wide open. And all of your microphones up top and the speaker box up top is wide open. We have a cutout up here. I guess that's for the speaker that comes out towards the front. Casemate Z Flip 3 Superstar case. Everything sounds good. It looks like we're a go for these two cases. I didn't really have a doubt. I will link you to this seller, and again, they sell everything for a lot of different devices. The Mate X2 was not a popular phone from Huawei because it doesn't have Google Play services, but I was able to find multiple color cases for that phone. They do iPhones, they do Androids. If you really like a carbon fiber look, you will not be disappointed with this seller and this company. If you're not a fan of eBay, you can find these same cases on Amazon. They're just a little more expensive, maybe by about $5-10 more. I would like to thank you for stopping by this channel, checking out this video and any other videos you may have consumed since you've been here. If you like the content on this channel, consider subscribing. If you like this video, hit the like button. I have memberships on this channel as well. Memberships cost, whereas subscriptions are free. So feel free to subscribe. If you're interested in the perks of becoming a member on this channel, feel free to hit the join button. That does not commit you to membership. It just shows you the perks. I hope to catch you on the next video and see you around these parts more often. Holla!